All right, is everybody having a good time? Ladies and gentlemen, after 4 hard-fought rounds, we declare both of them champions. What a great match, ladies and gentlemen. Give it up for ERALI Boykopilov and ABDU for your social knockout 3 featured bout of the night.
Whoa, молодец. Опять чем?
First, congratulations on a great fight. Did you think you won the fight? He thinking he did more punches than his opponent and he think he win the fight. No, I'm trying to see it from your point of view. Would you do this again if you got offered a rematch? Yes, we will do rematch. Next time I will knock him out.
Tell him 6 rounds.
I love you next time. I want 6 rounds.
Thank you for everyone to come and support us.
Garçon, vous êtes chamado,
Abdulrazak, your opponent thought that he won the fight. What do you think? I heard you say that you're the winner.
He just punching in my back of head and he thinking he win 0. No. I need 6 rounds. They're making 3 rounds. Why? I wanted 6 rounds. Why did it 3 rounds?
So if we do a rematch and you end up having your 6th round, do you think you'll beat him up?
He has to pay me because why I'm making him famous. He has to pay me after I will do. I don't want to without nothing making him famous. He has to pay me for making him famous because I am bigger than him.
I will fight again in revanche and he wants to say something more.
You don't know how to talk, your team is teaching you. You have to learn to how you use your own self-talk. What is saying? What is saying?
Went strong and he's busy now. Okay. Your champions, Abdulrazak and ERALI!
Come on, ladies and gentlemen, once again, let's give it up for ERALI Boykopilov and
ERALI at 30 kilograms, folks. Abdul, ERALI face off for the last time until you step in the ring. Whoa. The last face off before you get in the ring tomorrow night and make history.
Yes, baby! Tomorrow we will see how he's feeling. We will see.
Mini Garcia, baby.
Yeah, we will see, baby. What it will be. Bam, bam, bam. Bam, 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 bam. Yes!
Let's go. Well done, guys. Making history. See you all.